In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Apple Music station not loading or playing. Let's get started. First, check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection or you can switch between Wi-Fi and cellular data. Next, clear cache for the app. For that, launch settings. Scroll down, click on General, click on iPhone Storage, find Apple Music and launch it. Now click on Upload App and confirm it. Wait for a few minutes, then click on Reinstall App. This will clear cache for the app. Next up, check for app update. So launch your app store, search for the app Apple Music. After app appears, if you see the option update, click on it. Older versions sometimes break radio and station playback. If the station still won't play, check whether Apple servers are down using the Apple System Status page. Launch your preferred browser, type in Apple System Status. Now navigate to the very first one website. Once you're in this page, click on this plus option. From this list, find Apple Music. If you see the option of under maintenance, you will need to wait until the problem will be resolved from the end. Next, you should also ensure Sync Library is enabled in your Apple Music settings. So close this, launch your Settings app. Navigate to the option Apps, find Apple Music and launch it. Here you're going to find the option of Sync Library. Disable for that option, wait for a few seconds, then enable it. Another fix is signing out and back into your Apple ID, which resets authentication for streaming services. If you're using a VPN, disable it temporarily because VPNs can block or slow Apple Music station service. As a final step, completely delete the app from your device, then reinstall it to remove corrupted cache files and restore normal streaming behavior. And that's it. With these, you'll be good to go. Your problem will be fixed. At the end, if this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.